Why you dey keep face like shit when them fire catapults?
Now these boys will go cut my 1 million euros ticket. We don't almost enter.
Which game be that?
Switzerland versus Belgium. Win or draw.
Your own even better. Me nko. Out of 20 games where I put, now only Germany versus Holland under 3.5 goals. I don't already dey celebrate 2 million euros wey go enter my account until Van Dijk just spoil everything for me for 98th minute. Abeg leave that matter for Matthias. Wetin make me come find you sef? Na the game wey you get against Chelsea on Saturday.
Waiting do the game.
Sarri no dey gree me rest with him bragging. Every time he go just dey disturb me up and down. I no know whether he wan use unbeaten record carry trophy.
Waiting can concern me.
I wan make you use anything wey you fit use to help me take win am.
Waiting go find me if I win am for you.
You no wan win game again?
You no serious. For me, draw soup don't do me. Now you will want make I win by all means.
Okay, I go dash you Pogba for January transfer window.
Now that one we go find Messi go Dubai to go see whether space different for Baka. If you dey serious, you go dash me Mata and Marshall. Double M, hey. Now those type of players I need.
You dey craze. See your mouth like double M. If I dash them give you, now only me go come the attack for Man U abi?